I got my blue bag and I'm ready to head to IKEA. So we made it to IKEA and I am so excited to go in because I always love going in IKEA and checking out everything that's new, but we're on a mission today to find specifically 2 of these storage boxes right here for our IKEA hack that I have planned. So let's get in and let's get shopping and see and make sure, fingers crossed, that the item that we're looking for is in stock. It said it was online. I also just am excited to check out all the displays and everything like that and thought it'd be fun to bring you guys with me. So let's go. This is new, but boy, it does not look comfortable. We're putting it to the test. Not as bad. I thought it'd been worse. Here it is. This is what we have come here for. This is gonna be so nice to have out on the patio for some extra storage. Now we have to go find where they have this. Yes, my favorite meal, yarn. So we're back from IKEA, it's a new day and we're ready to build out this awesome outdoor sofa. But first, can we just take a moment to appreciate and love the new privacy wall? It looks so good. And already I'm starting to see the vision for this patio come to life. And now adding the sofa that's gonna go right here is gonna really upgrade this space. So our first plan of action is to get these storage boxes built. I think this might be one of the easiest IKEA furniture builds because I'm pretty sure these are just a couple of pieces. So let's get those built. We can get some measurements and then we can start the building. It is so hot out here that the camera keeps overheating and we have to bring it inside, and we still don't have these IKEA boxes built and we want to move forward. So I think we came up with a foolproof idea to keep the camera and ourselves cool because it's so hot out. Okay, look at this. We took the patio umbrella that is going to be featured in the upcoming patio makeover, and I'm going to flip you guys around so you can see what we did. I don't have an umbrella stand yet for this, so we zip tied it to the railing, and this works so great. There is so much shade now that we can put the camera in the shade, and also we can take breaks in the shade. I think this was a pretty genius idea. And also it just feels so good. I just kind of want to stand right here in the shade for the rest of the day, but we got more project to do. Of the chests are built. They look really, really good right here. So now it is time to transform them from 2 storage boxes into a nice little sofa moment here. First thing that we're gonna need to do is actually pull these out a little bit because we need enough room to have some depth for some cushions because this is just not wide enough to be comfortable and lounging. The other thing that I want to do is add an arm on this side and an arm on that side. That's gonna really give it that sofa-like look, and also it'll hold on any throw pillows and allow you to lounge or lay across or whatever you wanna do on this sofa. So in the car, I have a bunch of 2x4s and 2x6s, and we're gonna start cutting out all of our pieces. I think this plan is gonna work, and I think it's gonna look really good when it's done. Oh yeah, I can see this coming together perfectly. My hat. Okay. So I have my safety glasses on, and that means it is time to start cutting down our boards. So I have my 2x6s here. Those are what we're gonna start with. We're gonna make that back piece first. It's just gonna be a top with 2 legs, and probably we'll need a support there in the middle. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. Take the roller coaster, and you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. That was perfect. I was able to cut an entire arm out of a single 2x4. All I have left is this little piece right here. So we're gonna just repeat that again to make the other arm for the sofa. So next time you see me, both arms will be cut. So I sanded down all of our boards using 80 grit and then leveled up to 100 grit sandpaper. So they're all nice and smooth, got all the markings and rough edges off. So we're going to start assembling it, starting with the arms. So I already kind of got started just to practice off camera. And so I have the front piece and our top right here. It's looking really good. And the trick to do this is we're gonna be using deck screws, because these are just gonna eat right into the wood. They're perfect for outside. And I'm gonna be using my driver to put them in. So already worked pretty well for the first one. Let's see if we can repeat it and build these arms.
3, 4. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide.
And we are on the home stretch. I just dry fit all of our pieces that we cut and assembled. With a little help of my boyfriend, this came together very easily. I am such a wimp when it comes to driving in screws, and I don't know why. It always makes me super nervous. I can do pretty much everything else, but it's always just that task that makes me nervous. But you know what? Came together, it's looking good. What we gotta do now is stain it. So I picked up some outdoor stain. The color is Canyon Brown. I have no idea how good of a match this is gonna be to the IKEA product. It looked like it should be in the store when I looked at the little sample. So we're just gonna go with this, and then we'll just have to assemble the whole thing. Not sure if we're gonna get to it today, but I think as long as we get all this done, the assembly is the easy part. The stain turned out super well right here. It's not an exact match with the IKEA boxes, but it's pretty close. And I think once it's all finished up and we get some cushions, you're not gonna be able to tell. So now, obviously, these are all just little parts and pieces. Nothing's attached. So now that everything is dry, it is time to just start piecing everything together. And I think this is gonna go really, really smoothly and simply. And the way we're gonna do it makes it temporary so that if we don't want this configuration one day in the future, we can take it apart and these boxes can still be used as storage boxes or whatever it may be. So we're gonna get that done, and then I can't wait to show you the cushions that were picked out and get the whole project put together. So I'm gonna be using mending plates to attach both of these boxes together. So I'm gonna just mark where I'm gonna drill some pilot holes. That way we can ensure the wood doesn't split. Okay, well, I dropped it, but. Nice. That's pretty sturdy. All right, now that we have everything assembled, now all we have to do is add the cushions and we have this really cool IKEA Hack couch. I could do this all day long. This turned out so great. I love having a couch on my patio. Why have I never had this before? This is so fantastic and it's so comfortable, and I cannot believe that this started out as just 2 IKEA storage boxes and now is a full-on sofa. And now I'm really starting to see the vision come together between this and the wall right here. If you haven't checked out that video, it's on the screen right now. Also, the patio makeover is the very next video, so don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. And that's everything I have for you today in this video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.